So in this video I'm just going to quickly go through the first couple of pages of this worksheet. So the task 1 is to fill in this table, and I'm going to fill in this first one for you here. So it's triangle A, and it wants to know what the opposite divided by the hypotenuse is. So in triangle A, the opposite is 5 and the hypotenuse is 10. So 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. So that ratio is 0.5, and then you need to fill in all the rest. And if we scroll down, there's then a question about what do you notice about your answers. Moving on to the second page, we've got a similar task here to task 1, but this time the angle is 40 degrees. So I'm going to work out this middle one here. So that's on triangle E. Well, that's triangle E here. And I have to do the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So that's going to be 4 divided by 5.22. And if I put that in my calculator, I give your answer to 2 decimal places. That's what it's asked for. That's 0.77. Okay, fill in the rest of those. And then underneath we've got a few questions to answer. And then for part 5, please find the next video which will summarize what you've found.